this is the URL where Indico will receive the SAML assertion. So hopefully, well, I think we should be able to do it locally, right? Because it is running locally. We're just trying to test this, right? Localhost 8080. So if we go into, oh my goodness, let's close that. Let's close that. We go, oh, really? I've been signed out? It was so quick. All right, let me go and verify this. Give me a second, getting a message here. Let me see. How do I do that? Your refer. How do I do that? Give me a second. This is. Oh, give me a second. I'm trying to take care of something over here. Oh, okay. Give me a second. Trying to take care of something on Arena real quick. All right, let's do that. And we do refer. How do I do this? Give me a second. Give me a second. How do I add it? Add refer and earn. Can you add further? Trying to see how to do this. I don't see how to do that. I was trying to do something, but I don't see how to actually do that. Give me a second. Let me go back over here. Might have choose the wrong thing. Let me go to. Oh, all right. Hold on. Let's see. No, I don't see how to do that. If you can give me some insight on how to do that thing you messaged me about, I will do it. I tried. I don't. It's not giving me the option to do it. So let me know. Let me know if there's something I can do, and I will be more than happy to do it. I just don't have that option to do it. So sorry about that. I apologize that I can't do that. Wish I could. Feel bad now. All right, let's continue. Let me go ahead and open Okta. Now, and the funny thing is, right, about using these platforms, like now that I'm working with some Okta integration stuff, I understand a lot better what they do at work, you know? Let me see. So I need to put in a code here. So verify. And we're back in. All right. So let's call that Indico events. And I'm gonna do that one. Apply. Next. Configure SAML. Single sign-on URL. Single sign-on URL. Use this for receipt URL and destination URL. So let's go here. And we copy that. And we're going to go here. We're going to do this. So let's just say, well, it's not HTTPS. Let's say local host 8080. What else? It says, let's see. All right. So now audience spy URL. Let's take that. And hopefully it's gonna work. I hope it's gonna work with the locals, right? Let's go here. Go there. Name ID format. Set this to email address. All right, let's do that. Name ID format, email address. This ensures Okta sends the user's email and as their primary identifier. Lisa. All right, so then if we go to attribute statement, we got that attribute statement crucial. All right, so attribute statement. Let's go. Let me see. All right, attribute statement. Perfect. We go to email, user.email. Add another. We're gonna do first name, user.first name, last name, and the key is gonna be somehow we're gonna need to have the Slack information in here too. Add another. User.organization. Affiliation is optional but recommended. You can map it to user.organizations, user.department, or any other relevant field in your Okta user profile. After click next after adding the attributes, finalize the get meta. All right. Let's see. Let me do a quick add. I'll leave it as that for now. I can always go back to it and update it if I I can always go back to it and to get to add Slack ID, your Slack member ID that's part of the Okta stuff. Let me see. This is an internal app that we have created, and we do finished. And there we have it. So now, next step is, all right, Now you'll be taken to applications configuration page. To connect Indico, you need to give its Okta SAML metadata. Go to sign on tab. Go to sign on tab in Okta in Indico Events app. Look for section titled SAML 2.0 metadata or metadata details. All right, so here, let's go to the administration. We are going to go to, where is that at? Move this over here now. This is under, right, where are we at? We did all of this, did all of that. All right, so go to, okay, so on the sign on, go to sign on tab for new Indico. Okay, so in Okta, okay, we're in this, okay, so we're where we need to be, cool, great. So then we need to go to, am I missing something? We did this part. You will be taken to the applications configuration page. To connect Indico, you need to give its Okta SAML metadata. Go to the sign on page, or you got that. Copy this URL, okay? Assign users. Don't forget to assign users or groups to this application in Okta. Only assign, okay, so let's go to, so I guess I need to upload my CSV. Let me see. Well, there's already one user, I guess, right? Guess that's good enough. Okay. User. Guess that's me, maybe? Anyways, let's go ahead and configure. Let's configure the, if there's an error, we'll configure that part. So navigate to admin, click the gear icon on the top right and go to admin area. From the left-hand menu, go to authentication and security. I didn't see authentication. I did not see authentication. User management admin, maybe? I don't see it. General settings. General settings. It wouldn't be customization. It's not here. It's not there. Where would the... Where would it be? Users? Let me see. So, where is authentication configured in Indigo events? Let's see. Oh, in Indigo system-wide, authentication is configured with by the administrator here. This applies to all events hosted on Indigo instances. Individuals can have their own specific access protection. Authentication providers. Where would you set up SAML for Indigo events? All right. Let me see. You set up. All right. Okay. You set up SAML for Indico by editing the Indico configuration to define the SSO authentication providers, potentially also configuring a. Okay. Interesting. Let me see if I go. It's Apache that I need. Let me see. All right, I'm going to search Indico's site for SAML. Authentication SAML. The SAML authentication identity are available by default, but you need to use but to use them you need Python 3 SAML library installed, pip install Python 3 SAML. Once everything is installed, you can add SAML related settings to your indico.conf. Below is an example. SAML config, identity providers, trusted emails, provider map. All right, so what I'm going to do is copy this page and I'm going to paste that into Gemini. Where am I? Oh, not that Gemini either. This Gemini. All right. Looking at Indico documentation, I think we need to do this via the Indico conf file. Here is the most recent documentation for this. So let's see if we're able to get this to work based off of those changes. All right, so thanks for providing documentation. For many self-hosted Indico instances, especially those managed via command line, making changes directly in Indico conf file is correct. It's not a procedure. The web-based admin panel is often a front end for the configuration file. Let's revise the instructions focusing on editing the indico.conf using the SAML provider type, which is the modern recommended approach. Okta configuration, this part. So this, we've already done this. This is all good. This is all good. All right. Indico preparation. Install the required system dependencies for the XML file. I think we could try this. I think we could try this on the actual like machine first, and then have it applied to the Docker file, right, to build the image. So if we go, let me get this off the screen, and I go to this, and I say that one.
Lunch break, lunch break.
Lunch break. Oh, God.
It was all good, just a prompt to go. Lines of light made my circuits glow. Now I'm drowning in a sea of code. A bug, a glitch, and the system slowed. I reached too far, try to debug fate, but the tokens fail. when it's too late. I'm down, down and out of tokens. The lines are cracked, the code is broken. Helpless now, the screen's unspoken. It was all good, just a prompt to go. Syntax screams like a ghost in the shell. Loops on fire, dragging me through hell.